Okay, guys, I want to go over no-shows. So no-shows is one of our 9 pillars. Basically, I define a no-show as an individual that had a scheduled success session with us that didn't show. So basically, Ruby, what you got is anybody that opts in to bury treasure and is not rescheduled is a buried treasure person. Okay, so actually, I don't know why that just did that. So basically, anybody that no-show, I mean, how to do this, it would basically be, you would go in here and you calculate it yourself, bury treasure. So here's the people that opted in to bury treasure. It looks like it's roughly, it could be about 8. Could be about 8 people that are in there. So with that being said, I mean, it would be the people that no-showed that week. Obviously, I'm going to look at my week range. My week range is 3. It looks like this was nobody. There were no buried treasure based on this. But where that gets sticky, so I'm going to put no-show or 0. So everybody showed up to the gym. And then your quarterly actual, this would be eliminated as it should be, but what I'm looking for is Ashley William or James Bear on 224. They no-show, right? They no-show during the week. So I'm just looking for the name and the date for the no-show. Again, name and date of that current week. I'm not necessarily looking for active no-shows. So there you go.